Can I really mount this Yamaha R15 V4 by myself? If you're like me, you've probably struggled with mounting accessories on your Yamaha R15 V4. We've all been there, trying to figure out the best way to attach a phone mount, camera, or other gear without ending up with a tangled mess of wires or a scratched bike. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to mount accessories on your R15 V4, saving you time and frustration. One of the biggest challenges R15 V4 owners face is limited space. The bike's sleek design leaves little room for bulky mounts or clunky attachments. And let's be honest, who wants to clutter up their bike with a bunch of ugly mounts and wires? Another issue is the awkward angles. The R15 V4's curves and lines make it difficult to find a spot to attach your gear without it looking like an afterthought. Phone mounts can be especially tricky. You want to be able to navigate safely while on the road, but you also want to be able to capture your ride on camera. I've tried using suction cups, adhesive mounts, and even DIY solutions, but they all have their drawbacks. Sometimes they just don't stay put or they block your view. Camera mounts aren't much easier. You need to find a spot that's stable yet doesn't obstruct your view. And what about when you're riding on rough roads? You don't want your camera bouncing around or falling off. It's frustrating, to say the least. I've been there too, and that's why I've got some great solutions for you. I've found a few mounting solutions that are easy to install, won't damage your bike, and will make your life as a rider much easier. Let's take a look at a couple of them. The first solution is a handlebar mount that attaches directly to the bike's handlebars. It's super sturdy and can hold a variety of devices, including phones and cameras. The best part is that it's adjustable, so you can customize it to fit your needs. Another solution is a tank mount that uses a strong adhesive to attach to the bike's tank. This one's great for riders who want to keep their handlebars free of clutter. Plus, it's easy to remove if you need to. Finally, there's a fork mount that attaches to the bike's front fork. This one's perfect for riders who want to capture a different angle on their ride. It's also super easy to install. Just a few screws and you're good to go. Let's compare a traditional mounting method to one of these easy solutions. On one hand, you've got a clunky DIY mount that's held together with zip ties and hope. On the other hand, you've got a sleek adjustable mount that's specifically designed for the R15 V4. The difference is clear with the right mounting solution. You can save time and effort. The key benefits of these mounting solutions are convenience and ease of use. They're designed to make your riding experience more enjoyable, not more frustrating. With these mounts, you can focus on the road ahead, not on whether your gear is still attached. If you've got a favorite mounting solution or a question about these products, leave a comment below. And if you want more tips and tricks for your R15 V4, be sure to subscribe for more videos like this one.